Huzur, there is a hadith in both Bukhari and Muslim Sharif that Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has forbidden not to carry the Holy Quran in the enemy territory. What is the significance of this hadith?
What is the reference of this hadith?
This 3861 number hadith.
No.
Riyadus Salihin.
Riyadus Salihin. The original hadith is not mentioned in this book, but there seems to be some wisdom in that. So I believe this hadith to be true. If you take the Quran in the enemy territory, while there is enmity between the two groups, it's possible that they defile the Holy Quran. And Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not like it.